Now, what we are going to discuss today is sections. Sections is an UI component, that is, an user interface. Sections is an user interface component. Let me show you where you can see. You can see all the things which we have created. We have created some activity rules like test and all. Those are all. Things have been actually reset. There is no recent items at all, because today is a Monday. Every week, this instance will get reset. Every weekly it will get reset. If you want something to be stored, you have to install your personalization. Inside records, you have user interface. Here is a user interface section. Here you will be opening. These are the instances of sections. Instances are all the sections which are present in our application. Now let me open any one section. These sections and all look very easy, but while implementing small changes will be very difficult. To achieve those small changes, it is an HTML. That is a Pakka internal. Let me open any other. Let me filter it. Okay. 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 This is how actually the section looks like in latest versions. Okay. It is to us in the sense from the 8th version. This is how it looks like. Let me. Okay. This is called, okay. This is called Local App Builder. Okay, Local App Builder you have. We have gone through this one. It look, App Studio, which is actually local app development. Similar to that. This is a developer. This is a design template. This is a design template for local app development. If you are trying to configure a section from here, you will get very like you not get all the capabilities of section. Okay. If you are trying to implement any simple functionalities or simple form of user interface, then you can actually implement from here itself. Here you have few options here, plus and all. If you click on plus, you will be able to add some components. See, you are able to add some components, but these are all very basic. Okay. These are very basic. Now what you can do is if you want to actually render, if you want to actually see how a section looks like, this is called design template. But if you want to look how the section looks like, you need to click on this hyperlink. Sorry, guys, like this hyperlink. You have right. Convert to full section editor. Once you have converted to full section editor, you will again not get this template. Okay. Like whenever you're trying to open a section. Next time you will get a full section editor only. You will not get this design template for this particular section. You understand now? If I clicked on this one, convert to full section editor. It will ask, see, this action cannot be undone. Would you like to revert this template section to normal section? Normal section is like a old section, like regular section, which used to be there. This is a template section. This is a design template which was introduced in latest versions of Figma. OK. This is useful for they will tell that you can build a low code, like if you are having any simple requirements, you can configure from here itself. But okay, generally I'm saying 90% of the times no one will use this one. Okay. They will say this was introduced later. Recent times. They might introduce some other features to this design template and they might be using in future purpose. But current scenarios okay. No one is using these design templates. They are actually clicking on the hyperlink. This one convert to full section editor and they are submitting it. Now you can see how our original section looks like. That design template screen was introduced in the latest versions of Figma. That's it. This is how an actual section looks like. This is how an actual section looks like. Let me enable this. Check-ins and checkouts. See guys, every time, okay, whenever you develop a code, okay, you have to check in your code. Then only your code will get visible to other people. Check-in the sense locking. Okay. You should lock your code whenever your development is completed. Now, there is no check-in and checkouts here. You can see this is like very generic delete actions and save only you have. Let me enable check-ins and checkouts. Security use checkout. Okay, I will tell you what is the purpose of this check-ins and checkouts. Let me refresh. See, now you have this checkout option. Now, let me tell you first of all, what is this? Checkout, okay, checkout thing. Okay, see all your rules. Okay, rules in the sense either it may be a section, it may be a data transform, it may be an activity. Okay, every rule will be stored in a rule set. This is a rule set. Okay, rule set is a container of rules. If I click on this rule set, your rule set has opened. This is our rule set. Rule set name is GoGo Road. This rule set is a version 0.1.0.1.0.1, like 0.1.0.1.0.1. 0.1. First, 0.1 is major. Second, 0.1 is minor. Third, 0.1 is batch. Now, if you have installed any application like, if you have installed any Play Store application like Facebook, let's think. If you have installed Facebook in your mobile, okay, let's think that Facebook has got some update. Facebook has got some update, some kind of update that got in a Play Store. Okay, now, if you see, the version will get a change right. Play Store versions will be there. Like build number, they will say. Or version number, like they will say something like 12.01.2, 2021. Some kind of version is there, right? For every code. Okay, for every code which you are deploying into a production, like production in the sense, to users.